Hi and welcome to my API testing series. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install the PostMan tool. First, open up your browser and search for PostMan. Select the PostMan URL. When you get to the PostMan site, what you want to do first is to create a PostMan account. Click on Sign Up for Free. Specify your email, your username, and a password. Verify that you are human and click on the Create Free Account button. Next, you specify your name and then you select your role. For me, I will be selecting the QA engineer and click on Continue. By default, PostMan would redirect you to the web version of the tool, but I prefer to use the desktop version. So to download the desktop version, what you want to do is click on the settings icon and select Download Desktop App. PostMan automatically dictates your operating system. Next, select your operating system and the download process begins. After the download is completed, locate your downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. Once the installation process is completed, the app will launch automatically. Next, what I like to do is to go back to my email address and check for a verification email from PostMan, and then I proceed to verify my email. And that's it. You have successfully downloaded and installed PostMan on your computer. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more API testing videos.